Hello there. Creating a French-style atmosphere in your bedroom can be an engaging and creative process. Let's delve into each point in more detail and make it interesting. French style, in bedroom decor, tends to favor soft and soothing tones, creating an atmosphere of comfort and tranquility. Soft pink, blue, lavender, powder, or beige. These are not only great colors for walls, but also for furniture and textiles. Together, they create a bright and airy interior that invites relaxation and calm. French furniture is often exquisite and elegant. Choose a bed with a curved headboard and legs to give it a romantic look. Dressers with intricate wood carvings or vanity tables with mirrors will add style and sophistication to the interior. Textiles play a significant role in creating comfort in the French style. Luxurious curtains, pillows with ruffles, bedspreads, and covers will create an atmosphere of luxury and elegance. Use natural fabrics with texture to add interesting details to the interior. Mirrors not only enlarge the space, but also add charm to the interior. Place mirrors on the walls in graceful frames, or use furniture with mirrored elements. Glass items such as chandeliers or candle holders will add lightness and airiness to the interior. French style is often inspired by the nature of Provence. Add elements to the bedroom interior reminiscent of rural landscapes, such as lavender branches, decorative jugs with wildflowers, or images of French countryside. This will create a cozy and tranquil atmosphere in the interior. Antique items can add uniqueness and character to the bedroom interior. Consider using antique lamps, mirrors, or furniture with wood carvings. This will create an impression of history and sophistication. Romantic elements will add tenderness and charm to the bedroom interior. Use crystals, metal candle holders with graceful curves, porcelain vases with flowers, or scented candles with lavender aromas. This will give your bedroom an atmosphere of romance and coziness. Don't forget about the details. They give completeness to the interior, maintain cleanliness and order in the bedroom. Use beautiful storage containers and decorative boxes for accessories. This will help create a cozy and pleasant atmosphere in your bedroom. Following these recommendations will help you create a beautiful French-style atmosphere in your bedroom. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and be sure to check the video description. You'll find useful links and additional materials there. Good luck in creating your cozy corner. Thanks for your attention, and see you soon.